Hello, my name is Tina Sharapova and I'm a textile artist. I worked with different kind of textiles. I do weaving and spinning and knitting and sewing. And in my classes, I show people how to do simple, easy projects so they will not be intimidated by the complexity of the things that you can create, but showing some easy tips and tricks that they can use in their everyday life. My course is for adults, but teenagers also can take part if they have a little bit of experience using a sewing machine. And the only prerequisite for this course is having a sewing machine. My course, One Stitch at a Time, has two sections. And section one is for complete beginners. If you don't know how to thread your sewing machine, that will be for you. So after my first course, you will know how to thread the machine, how to do basic troubleshooting, and how to take care of your machine, how to choose thread and fabric, how to prepare fabric for sewing, and how to cut it properly. Uh, we will learn different kinds of stitches, and also we will learn how to attach a zipper for the one project. And after the second course, you will know how to do basics of pockets and drawstring bags. And also we will touch base on using patterns and actually making garments. Very little bit. We'll have just a small project to make a robe for a doll, but it will be exactly the same story with adult size robe. So I think that every person who would like to know more about using sewing machine and who would like to know how to make his own home decor pieces or garments, my courses will be just a perfect start that will help you to understand what do you want, what do you like, and how you can proceed with your ideas. I just want to show that it's pretty easy if you know how to start, and it's so many interesting projects that you can make by yourself, that you can reuse some old clothes, you can create something new and beautiful out of old and ugly. And also that's a way to express your creativity, even if you're just making a little throw pillow or mending a hole in your jeans. I think that it's a great way to make your life better with more beautiful pieces.